What's up, everybody? Today we're going to talk about new kid on the block. Well, it's not really that new, and the developers aren't that new, and that's how you know it's going to be around for a minute. Beehive Game Tron. This is Beehive Hedge. Okay? So what we're looking at today, I'm going to explain in detail some things to you about this project, okay? So you can have a thorough understanding of what's going on with the platform, okay? And what you're looking at when you're looking at these boxes, okay? So, Beehive Hedge, okay? Created by the Beehive team, right? The native token used to be the Beehive coin, but now it is the Apis coin. So what's going on here is they have created a project to which you can build projects on top of. So Apis is the main coin, right, pertaining to the projects. This specific project is Beehive Hedge, and it's an investment project, okay? So when you're dealing with this specific project, you have to keep in mind that this project is made for you to compound your investment, okay? Now, understand, like an hourglass contract, or like, should I say, unlike most of these contracts, you cannot get out early in this contract, okay? This isn't an early, get out early, come in, get part of your percentage and just leave. This smart contract is made to lock your money in for a specific amount of time. On average, 17 to 19 weeks. I've noticed that they changed a couple of things. I think the average percentage for your investment was 330%, if I remember. But now, from what I'm reading, it's 304. So from what I'm seeing, it may go down. But the point is, when you first get into this project, what you want to do is you want to go to buy BHC, Beehive coin, right? So you want to go to buy BHC. So it's going to take you to Poloniex Exchange. When it takes you to Poloniex Exchange, which I recommend you go to Poloniex Exchange, don't jip yourself. If you go to Just Swap will give you less coins than Poloniex Exchange will. If you ask me, Just Swap with some coins is a jip. But, you know, it is what it is. So you go to the link that they have where it says get you some Beehive coins, BHC coins. You come here to Poloniex, get the BHC coins, okay? You buy. Now, let me explain some about Poloniex. When you come here and you spend your Tron to get the BHC coin, according to how big your order is, it will take Poloniex, some time to fill the order. So I give you an example. You may have spent so many Tron and had gotten 30,000 BHC coins. Okay, like this is what I had right here, right? Close. But you may see in your wallet, you may see 2,000 or 3,000 BHC coins. It's not that you got gypped. It's not that they didn't give you all the coins. They just didn't give you all the coins at that exact time to fill the order. Okay? They didn't have the coins available at that exact time you asked, at that exact time of purchase. Okay? So what I recommend people do when they come here, if you do not have all of your coins, because it'll let you know how many coins you get. Okay, so take, for instance, at this price, with this amount, I will get 15,000. With this amount, if I spent this 25%, this how many BAC coins I got. If I spent this much percent, trading amount, this much TRX, then this what I get. You get what I'm saying? So it's going to take time to fill this order. Not a long time, but it's going to take time. Okay? When you see all of your BHC coins in your wallet, okay, after buying on Poloni Dex, you're going to come here. As you see, I have 27,824 BHC coins. 8 BHC coins equals 1 Apis. When I first started this, it was 2 BHC coins. So Apis is definitely going up in price. I'm going to go here. Let me see. I'm going to go here, put this 27,824 for my investment. And let's see what it gives me back. So remember, and this is what they mean when they first tell you before you come in. You need to be sure of what you're trying to do before you come in. Okay? Because your profits with this is every 7 days. You can't pull your profits out. You can pull the profits out, right? But you can't pull the full amount out. So you're left with the choice that you might as well put the money back in, put the Apis back in. So, okay, so now we're going to go over here to Apis. Okay, so the 27,000 gave me swap to 5,000 Apis, right? So I'm gonna go back to my wallet, look at things. Okay. So I'm out of BHC coins. No more of them jiggums. Enter the number of Apis I want to invest. Okay. So I could take this and make a new hedge investment. Right? That'll be 10, which I'm not freaking gonna do. Okay? Because I messed up when I first started because I didn't know what was going on. All right. We're gonna read. You read this right here. It tells you every investment in Apis is a regular weekly payment. You should consider this when planning your investment strategy. To make a profit, you will need, okay, to reinvest the amount of the initial investment every week. You will need to, while you will receive a growing profit every week by 10%. After reaching 304% profit your deposit will be closed. This will be closed after 304%. All of these be closed after 304%. I screwed up on these, so what? Right? But 304%. So this investment has to flip back into that, this back into that. This would have had to flip back into this, but I screwed up, had to put this money in the other ones. Same for this one. But the whole point is, as you see what's going on, so when you start, get one big chunk, okay, $1,000 worth, 500, 100, whatever. Remember that is money that you're putting into crypto, into this specific crypto hedge investment, okay, to where you're getting 300%. So understand this. If you're doing $1,000 and you're getting, at the end, you're getting 304%. 304%. That's like $3,000, people. $300. What's that? 300 some dollars. So you have to think of these things. It's just investing. All right. So take time, do your own research, do your own research. You know what I'm saying? And I'll put it in the link below. But yeah, do your own research, people. But don't let these type of opportunities pass you by. 300 and some percent. I don't give a damn what you're doing. 300 and some percent is outstanding in a day of calamity and pandemics and unemployment and whatever. So hold on, let me invest my 5,700 Apis, right? Let me see, that's already done. I don't think I have enough for this. See where I can put this joint, right? I don't think I have enough for that either. That's 60% though. 50, let me see if I can do this. Nope, not enough because I need the 8,000. Oops. Okay, so it's saying I have enough for this. So let me reject this real quick because I'm looking for something. Not enough. 5,005, 5,007. Currently, I'm looking for the one with the most. It's 10. Can I get in here? Nope. I didn't have that much anyway. Okay. Give me a minute. 7,000. Yeah, I need to buy some more for this joint. All right. Well, go ahead and get this out the way. Okay, now you see I have 7 days for this end. So let me see how many. Oh, I don't need to do that. Oh. Okay, so I have 1,200 left. Now, actually, I could reinvest this in her. I mean, I could make another investment porthole right here. But I don't want to do that. That's 10 investments. I have to get, look you all, because of my mess up, I have to get 300% on this, 300% on this, 300, right? You see what I'm saying? So this one is huge, and it has to sit back and wait because I have all these going because of my screw up, right? So don't you all screw up. Just get your one big chunk of change, buy a bunch of Apis, and start this one on up. Just make sure the amount you want to put in this one so you can just stay focused on one. I have 9 of these things. And don't forget, use your referral when you're talking to people about it. that come get this 300-something%, right? This project, they plan on this project being around for a long time. They don't plan on coming and going. So, look deeper into it. Don't just take my word for it. I'm pretty much the only one online making a video about this. The only other Tron investment I know that's solid, that has been solid, as far as the project, is T2X. The link for that is in the descriptions. Plenty of people doing videos on that. I'm not going to show anything really about that. And the developers of this team right here have been around for years. So not only do they have they developed on Tron, but Ethereum also. So, all right, people, I just want to come back with another video about Beehive Hedge. This is a good project, man. It's important. If you want to make some income off of what you have, then here we go. Here we go. This turns into Tron, right? More Tron. Let's get this Tron. All right. Peace. Oh, by the way, got a new video for you.
I got hairy legs that turn turn blonde in the sun, and the kids used to come up and reach in the pool and rub my leg down so it was straight, and then watch the hair come back up again. They look at it. So I learned about roaches. I learned about kids jumping on my lap, and I've loved kids jumping on my lap.